Methods of printer production. There are assembled modified UV printers and industrial-produced ones in the market. Among assembled UV printers, apps and office printers for paper printing are some of the most popular ones to modify. So a motherboard, a carriage, a printhead, a gantry, and a few other parts are taken from an office printer. A UV light, a flatbed, and a few other parts are added onto the mechanical structure. The printing system from the original printer is equipped, so the system needs to be deciphered after the printer is assembled up. To put it in a way that's easier to understand is that this printer was born an office printer, but now are fed the kind of food its body doesn't process well, and it has to do a much heavier work. Take the carriage motor for example. It is not strong enough when working, yet it does work. And after a while, the speed will slow down, or could almost come to a stop, as the motherboard detects it is overloaded or overheated. Eventually, it will become worn out and need to be replaced. The plastic parts, including carriage and ink pump, will get corroded due to the solvent of the UV ink, which they weren't designed for. And after a while, they need to be replaced as well. Meanwhile, since the printing system is deciphered, errors will often occur when the printer is working. When that happens, you need to A. Have a professional to fix it from the printer. B. Using a specialized software to initialize and fix it from a computer connected to your printer. Or C. Replace the motherboard. Now, we're not saying this kind of printer do not own its market. If you are a user with a printer hardware background, or you have a lot of experience working with mechanical jobs, assembled ones could be a good way to lower initial investment. Now let's talk about industrially made UV printers. Every part in the printer is designed for a reliable UV production system, including motherboard, ink system, UV system, software, mechanical designs, and others. Meanwhile, all the vital parts are metallic. All the electronics are one-centered and industrially planned. The model you're looking at now is called artisjet Young, made by artisjet. Not only we make our machines, systems, softwares, and printing apps, we also never stop investing in innovating technology. It makes the machines even more advanced and quality even better. All the parts are designed to be stable and error-free in the UV printing system. Number 2, maintenance. A high maintenance printer means you're spending more money, time, and effort after purchasing. But if you're doing prototyping for a business, not production, or your production request is very few, then assembled UV printers might be a good choice. As I mentioned earlier, with a lot of experience working with UV printers, you might be able to meet the maintenance needs of the assembled ones. If not, you want to consider a UV printer that requires very low maintenance. Empowered by the magnetic encoding system, artisjet Young creates zero-step errors while printing. The workstation helps you to proceed with easy nozzle check and ink system cleaning process status monitoring. And instead of ink bottles, we provide hassle-free ink cartridges replacement. Number 3, effect. See the effect yourself. Ask for a video that shows the machine and the printing result. Ask for a sample. Make sure to find out how's the printing effect of the printer you want to buy. Include print resolution or print height differences, unless you're certain that all the products you want to print on owns flat surfaces. Artisjet Young printer provides you smooth and sharp color quality for the realistic images, allows print height differences, and a big variety of printing effects, including barrel printing and embossed effect. Number 4, production process. Make sure to check out the operation of the printing process before you purchase a printer. Whether the operation is complicated, how long does it take, whether it can print directly from a third-party software. Because all of these could affect your production efficiency. Artisjet Young printer allows direct printing from a third party, which saves so much work and time. The control system detects the material's printing height and positioning automatically. With a user-friendly operation, you can operate with a click of a button. Number 5, safety. If you're working from a factory or open space, you might not need to consider the smell. If you're working from home, offline store, shopping mall, you need to find out if the machine is producing any smell while working, if it is eco-friendly, and if it is 100% safe when operated. Artisjet Young owns the special all-building LED UV system, eco-friendly ink, and air purification system. RISC did an evaluation targeting the smell, the potential air emissions from the ink during operation, and other safety issues. And Artisjet Young has passed it with a great result. Safety always comes first. We make sure the machine is above international standards and safe to place anywhere. Number 6, services. Find out if the brand you're purchasing from are going to provide you a long-term service. We have been serving business owners in over 72 different countries. Besides business owners, Artisjet has also been working with cosmetic brands, mobile telecom operators, theme parks, in their stores, events, and exhibitions. A well-established service system is crucial. Of course, there might be other factors you need to consider before purchasing a UV printer. But the bottom line is, do not only focus on how much the printer is, also consider the follow-up steps.